Welcome to tea time, guys. Outside, it's a beautiful day. What am I going to speak about today? I don't know. Just being grateful, be thankful, be blessed in all you do. Enjoy every day. Y'all, it's a bee out here and I'm scared. Enjoy every day to the fullest. Have your tea, your coffee, your water, your orange juice, your milk. Whatever it is that you partake in. So yeah, guys. Be grateful, be thankful, be blessed in all you do, and show a little bit of love and compassion to all. It doesn't matter who it is, but to all. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in to Tea Time. Okay? Love yourself, okay? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world could be a better place. All right, y'all. Bye-bye. Y'all, I'm so behind. I'm so behind on everything I wanted to do today. Today I don't have any work to do, but I think later on I'm probably gonna do, I don't know. Y'all know I do ride share. I think I told y'all sometime, so I'll probably do 2 of those later. But I wanna go head out and go for a walk. And let me see, what else? I don't know, y'all. I'm not sure, but I'll bring you guys along for a little bit of it. We're gonna put on our Aldo, y'all see these little flowers right here? Can y'all see it on the sides? I forgot where I got these from. But yeah, we're gonna just do what it do. Gonna have a great day. So like I said, I'm gonna go to the park and go for my walk, and then I think I'm gonna come back home. I'm not sure, it all depends on what time it be. I want to go to Lowe's. I don't know if I explained to you guys or mentioned to you guys that I went to Lowe's last week. No, today is Thursday, right, y'all? Yeah, happy Thursday, y'all. Happy Thursday. So I went to Lowe's, I think it was Monday, and they didn't have any ZZ plants. So I didn't get anything, so that's why I didn't show y'all me potting that plant in that new terracotta pot. So they didn't have anything. But they do have, I got the sales paper here. They do have mulch on sale for two for $10. I'll show you guys if I can real quick. So they do have, like, if y'all can see it, the mulch 5 for $10. I only need one bag, so I'm glad nobody's behind me. But I only need one bag. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get some potting soil because I need some more, and I need to get what else is it that I need to get? Mulch, potting soil. Oh, the two baskets. That's for they're actually, I think I told you, they're used for cement mixing boxes. That's what I'm gonna use for my my gardening this year. I'm gonna try something new instead of digging in the ground. So yeah, guys, when I get to the park, I'll probably bring you guys along just for a little walk, a little sightseeing, and I'll get back with you guys momentarily. Okay. I should turn the camera around so I can show y'all these trees. I think they're called dogwood trees. They are beautiful. So it's like, once I get up the road here, then I'll show you, because they are absolutely beautiful. So I think they only bloom probably it's New Year's. So for me, it's New Year's. For me, some of y'all, I mean, it is spring, but New Year's is in the spring. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want anybody to get upset with me. But I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all these trees, okay? And y'all can roll with me just for a little while. So this is what the trees look like. They're absolutely beautiful. So enjoy, y'all. What is that?
Pour down your drain so the roots don't. He said,
going to the house.
the roots are. Yeah, he's across the street from me, so he said those roots were coming up on the side. And I said, well, it's gonna probably mess with our drain too. He said, put some of that silver nitrate down there. I said, okay. Yeah. Where we went in at? Where we came on at?
It's so pretty. I like sitting down there. They used to have a bench down there where you can sit by the water.
Okay.
Y'all, I'm back. I just want to say something real quick, but I hope y'all enjoyed the scenery at the park, and I hope you enjoyed the scenery of the dogwood trees. I think they're right, but we are currently right now at Lowe's. We are at Lowe's, but I wanted to come back and tell y'all something. Y'all, I want y'all to remember one thing, and I don't care if who's on my channel, if you don't like what I'm saying, I'm just sorry, because everything is not for everybody. But on my way here, I'm driving on the freeway, and you know how your exit comes and you're on the freeway and you come on, then you merge over the lane. No, you're actually on the freeway. So the lane turns into one. Somebody's behind me. Guys, this lady did not let me by. Like, deliberately not letting me by at all. I had the right of way to go ahead and go, and she behind me. She comes from on the side of me. Whoop, shoot. Can't, no. I am learning that when your light is shining, let yourself know, I'm letting y'all know right now, you are on the right track in your life. People can't stand love. They can't stand for what you stand for, which is good. And they'll try to do anything to put a damper in your spirit. I just want y'all to remember that. So don't be arguing with these people on these roads. Don't get upset with them. Remember, they are ugly people, but your light is shining. So that's why they do that kind of stuff. They don't like that. They don't like your light to shine. So I just wanted to share that with somebody. Don't get upset. Just smile and keep it moving. So let's go ahead and head on into Lowe's. Perennials, three for $9. Let's see what else they got going on here. Oh, these are pretty. These real pretty. These are so pretty. Look at that. Oh my God. Beautiful lush colors. Yeah, they have these ZZs, but I'm not getting this one. This is $16. I can get it in a regular pot, a regular plain pot. So, These are marked down. These are $7 instead of $10, but I don't know. Y'all know I'm used to paying like $2, $3, stuff like that. Let's keep going. I came across these. I do like this just for the pot, y'all. This is $3, I think, and 30 cents. But look at the legs on it. And it's terracotta. It's cute. I don't know. Guys, if you're looking for, they have two different sizes. I found them. One is 6 something, and this other one is 13. So I got the 2. I'm going to go ahead and get the potting soil, and then I'm going to get ready to go home. I'll see you guys. I found a big bag. This one here, the big one back here is $4.28. So I'm waiting for him to come back and help me. I'm ready to go home, y'all. This is exhausting. So I'll see you guys once I get home. All right, guys, y'all, I'm back home, so I'm going to show you what I picked up from Dollar Tree, and then I'll show you what I got from Lowe's, and then that's probably going to do it for this video. So yeah, hold on, guys, let me turn this camera around and show you what I got from Dollar Tree. So guys, from Dollar Tree, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that's why you shouldn't go to the store hungry. I don't know why I was hungry, because I ate breakfast this morning. But I got these Snyder's breaded twist honey wheat made with real honey pretzels. So got those. And these were originally $2.99, so you can't beat that for $1. I ended up picking up some TJ Farms. This is a good brand at Dollar Tree. Shoestring French fries. We're gonna have these. I'm probably gonna make some kind of vegetable medley tonight, and we'll have a side of fries. And Mark was complaining he couldn't find his wave cap, so I bought a wave cap, because I don't know if y'all watch this video on one of them pillows. I'm getting tired of watching those pillowcases with that stuff on there. But I picked up that for him. And I got some whole peppers, because y'all remember when I hauled this, I don't have any peppercorns in there. So I got that for that. And I did pick up 2 more. I got 1 herb, y'all. Was lucky, because this is all they had. They had thyme, and I got a thing of peppers. So yeah, that's what I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Lowe's, and then that's gonna be it, y'all, because I'm tired. So as you guys see, I got two of the trays, one for me, one for baby girl. And then back here, I got, let me see if I can zoom in. You guys see I got the potting soil and the black mulch. So yeah, that is it, guys. Guys, I really loved having y'all with me today. If you like this video, please consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. And also, thanks for tuning in today, guys. It was really fun. So guys, I will see y'all tomorrow, because she's tired and I am. I'm gonna cook a little something. I'm probably gonna take me a little nap. So see you the next one, guys. Thank you. Love yourself so that you'll love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.